Iran could have been the next Dubai, but it chose to be different. So, hello and welcome to Come Read With Me, where we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Indian Express newspaper, so come read with me. The topic is Dubai is what Iran chose not to be. Both Iran and Dubai are part of UAE and in the same neighborhood, which is the Middle East, and both sit on a lot of oil. We all know the whole crisis about oil. Now, Iran's choice for the last 40 years has been Iran has focused on revolutionary ideas, building missiles and picking fights with neighbors and the West. This led to sanctions that made their economy weak. But what did Dubai choose? Dubai decided to become the world's middleman. They focused on tourism, fancy airports, huge shipping ports, and making it easy for global businesses to move money and goods. Now, the main idea why missiles can't stop Dubai. Recently, Iranian missiles actually hit Dubai. People thought, oh no, Dubai is finished. But the author says that they are wrong. Here's why. Number one, Dubai is a software, not a hardware. Yes, a missile can break a building, which is the hardware, but Dubai's real power is the trust, which is the software. Thousands of global companies have their offices and supply chains there, and you can repair a runway, but you can't easily replace a global hub that everyone already uses. Number two, the shield is strong. Dubai didn't just build malls, they spent 10 years building a high-tech umbrella, which is a missile defense. Okay. With the help from United States and South Korea, they design defense system like the THAAD and the Patriot. Now these systems actually work, making it hard for Iran to do the real damage. Number three, Iran's missed opportunity. Iran has 90 million smart young people and a great location. By all logic, they should have been the world's trade hub, but because of their political choices, they are isolated while their neighbors UAE, Saudi Arabia, Qatar have built in 50 years what Iran has failed to do. Now, why this matters for UPSC examination? If you're preparing for the exam, this article is a gold mine for GS paper 2, which is International Relations Geopolitics of West Asia. It explains the shift from traditional war power to economic and logistic power, soft power versus hard power. Iran has hard power like missiles, but Dubai has soft power. In the modern world, soft power often wins because it's harder to destroy. Number three, strategic importance of the Gulf. Number four, internal security and defense. It highlights the importance of integrated air defense systems, showing why countries like India invest so much in systems like S-400 and BMD, which is ballistic missile defense. So this becomes highly important for civil service examination. Now you tell me in the comment section below, is India a soft power or a hard power? And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.